Welcome to one of the world's most advanced poultry production facilities. Inside, every stage of production is carefully controlled and automated. The process begins as thousands of eggs arrive for inspection and incubation. Each egg is carefully inspected before entering the incubation process. Automated systems then sort the eggs for the next stage. The selected eggs are carefully loaded into specialized incubation trays. Inside the incubation room, temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. During incubation, the eggs are regularly positioned to support healthy development. Throughout incubation, automated systems continuously monitor the environment. Thousands of eggs develop simultaneously under carefully controlled conditions. After incubation, the eggs reach the hatching stage, where the chicks emerge. Once hatched, the young chicks are carefully prepared for their next stage. The chicks are inspected and handled carefully before leaving the hatchery. The young birds are then moved toward carefully managed growing facilities. The chicks now enter specialized houses designed for controlled growth. Automated feeding systems provide the birds with a consistent supply of feed. Automated watering systems provide clean drinking water throughout the growing house. Ventilation and climate controls help maintain a stable environment for the growing flock. Workers regularly monitor the flock to ensure healthy growth and proper conditions. As the birds grow, their environment and resources are continuously managed. Feed distribution is carefully managed to support consistent growth across the flock. Automated monitoring helps track flock development and production performance. At full scale, every system works together to manage thousands of birds efficiently. After the growing cycle, the birds move toward the next stage of the production chain. When the birds reach the required stage, collection is carefully organized. Specialized transport containers are prepared to move the birds safely. The loaded containers are transferred to specialized vehicles for the next stage. The journey continues from the growing facility to the processing stage. At the processing facility, the next stage begins under controlled conditions. The receiving area is designed for efficient movement and strict hygiene control. Strict hygiene procedures are followed before entering the processing area. Inside, automated systems handle the processing stages with precision and consistency. The automated processing line moves each stage forward with carefully controlled precision. Quality control systems inspect the products throughout the production line. Controlled sanitation systems help maintain strict food production hygiene. The products then pass through a controlled chilling system before packaging. Modern packaging machines seal and prepare the finished products for distribution. Every package passes through final quality checks before leaving the production line. Finished products are stored under controlled temperatures until distribution. Finally, refrigerated trucks carry the finished products toward their destinations. From the factory floor, the finished products now enter the distribution network. Temperature-controlled transport helps preserve product quality during delivery. The finished products leave the facility and begin their journey to market. What begins with a single egg becomes a highly coordinated production journey. Every stage is connected, from incubation and raising to processing and distribution. Behind the automation, trained teams monitor every stage of the operation. Together, these systems create one continuous, highly organized poultry production process. This is the journey behind modern poultry production, from egg to finished product.